Currently, Nissan Sunderland plant produces 4 vehicles. It produces 2 small vehicles, the Nissan Note and the Nissan Juke. It produces the phenomenal successful vehicle, the Nissan Qashqai, and it also produces the Nissan Leaf. So 4 vehicles across 2 lines is the current production. We've been the UK's biggest car plant really since the early 90s. We're the biggest exporter in the UK because of that. And from around about 2012, we've been producing over 500,000 vehicles really for the last 2 years, which is a phenomenal success really for the plant and for the UK auto industry. Nissan's been established for 30 years. We broke ground in 1984. Since that time, we've invested £3.6 billion in the plant. It's a huge investment for the UK and in particular for the North East. The plant is a fully integrated manufacturing plant. We take coils of steel, aluminium ingots and plastic pellets, and we make complete vehicles out of this. Over and above that, over and above the factory investment, we've got an international design centre in Paddington, we've got an engineering centre in Cranfield. So we truly are an integrated manufacturing site, which means really cars like the Qashqai are designed, engineered and manufactured in the UK. We've had an excellent relationship with the City Council, and the City Council understands and appreciates that we bring high value, highly skilled employment to the region and to the residents of the city. And as such, we work very, very closely together to make sure that we maintain that. In doing so, we've created a hub, if you like, in the North East of manufacturing. And when you consider 30 years ago, we didn't manufacture vehicles in the North East of England. And together with the city, with the other partners and the people in the plant itself, we've created really an international automotive manufacturing centre. The City Council has always had a very good attitude to the plant. In fact, if you go back to when Nissan was making the decision to locate in Europe and in fact in the UK, that was one of the defining factors, the fact that the City Council itself and the other partners in the region all pulled together and showed great enthusiasm, which again really was one of the key factors why Nissan located in the region in the first place. I think that the City Council has took a holistic view of Sunderland. Not only short term, but the long term, and how to create really a robust environment that sustains Nissan and therefore sustains employment in the city. It's developed a relationship with our suppliers, encouraging the suppliers to locate close to the plant, which has obviously helped Sunderland itself, but it helps Nissan in terms of lower logistics cost and lower parts in terms of delivery to the plant. Obviously in key times, we live in and work in a competitive environment, and the city has supported us getting national grants where appropriate and where necessary to really secure the key models for the plant. I think in describing the personality of the factory, you've got to start with the people. And the people have a real spirit and an enthusiasm, together with the support we've got from the City Council and the expertise we've had from global manufacturing at Nissan. We've created something rather special there, and a world-class manufacturing facility that is a key element to Nissan's success, not only in the UK but also in Europe. The plant in Sunderland for Nissan is absolutely fundamental. Nissan has objectives, it has a real image to be the #1 Asian brand in Europe, and really the plant in Sunderland is the kingpin of that. So obviously we've been there for 30 years now, so we have real deep roots in the city. We've mentioned the overall investment, £3.6 billion. Overall employment associated with our operations in the UK are around about 40,000 people. So that's 8,000 in terms of Nissan's own operations, in terms of the plant itself, the design centre in Paddington, the engineering centre in Cranfield. You add on top of that the overall dealer network that we support. And then there's another 25,000 or so that are supported directly through our supply base. And 75% of them are actually located around the plant. We've had a number of years of growth. We're the biggest car plant by far in the UK, and we're making around 500,000 units per year. But what we need to do is we need to remain competitive. The plant was rewarded more recently with the addition of the new Infiniti brand, the Q30. That's the first time really a new brand has been launched in the UK for about 20 years. So that really shows the competitiveness of the plant and how hard they work to attract the new models and support the sustainability. And I think together, working with the plant, the enthusiasm of the North East people and the coalition that we've got with the Sunderland City Council and other partners, that'll guarantee the success in the future.